push around. To treat someone badly or boss them too much. He pushes his little brother around. The boss should not push workers around. Zero in. To focus closely on something specific. The teacher zeroed in on the main problem. She zeroed in on the mistake quickly. Call back. To return a phone call. I will call you back later. The manager will call back soon. Jack up. To raise or increase something. They jacked up the rent again. The store jacked up prices last week. Quarrel with. To argue or fight with someone. I don't want to quarrel with my friend. She quarreled with her sister yesterday. Send over. To send something to someone. I will send over the photos tonight. She sent some food over to me. Note down. To write something so you remember it. She noted down the address. I always note down important ideas. Throw off. To remove something quickly or to confuse someone. I threw off my shoes at the door. The question threw me off. pull ahead. To move ahead of others and start leading. She worked hard to pull ahead in class. He ran faster and pulled ahead near the finish line.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!